Today I thought we would make a cocktail called a Daq Attack because who doesn't want to get attacked by a daiquiri? I definitely do. This cocktail was created by a bartender named Lee Zaremba here in Los Angeles, and I think that's all I gotta really say about it. I was just, you know, futzing about today, and I thought, you know what, I want a daiquiri, and then I came upon this recipe and I thought I want to try it. It utilizes kiwi syrup, so the way to make this is pretty simple. You just take 1 cup of cold simple syrup, put it in a blender. You want to peel like 3 kiwis, throw them in the blender, blend it all together, and then throw it in a nut milk bag or fine strainer. Strain it all out, make sure you get all of the little pieces out, and you want to make sure to get the seeds out as well, because having those in your cocktail would be a little bit annoying, I think. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is grab our tin here. We're going to put in 1/2 ounce of lime juice, 1 ounce of kiwi syrup,
What was that?
well, because I was like, I filled it, and then I was like,
Is this an ounce?
yeah, I was like, is that the 1 ounce line or is it the 1.5 ounce line? I was like, no, that's the 1 ounce line. You know, honestly, like my eyesight has been worse lately. 1/2 ounce of rhum agricole blanc.
So blanc that it doesn't even have a label.
The one so blanc that it has no label. Yeah, that's right. It's as blanc as you can get. And then we're gonna do 1.5 ounces of Havana Club because I can. But any, you know, kind of lightly aged rum will do. And it's a daiquiri. I mean, how can you do a daiquiri without Havana Club if you just have it sitting on the shelf? You know what I mean? I'm gonna add some ice to our. That just did not go the way I wanted it to go. Okay, let's try that again. Add some ice to our tin. That's too big. That's good. That's good. And we'll give it a little shaky. And when you guys are shaking, I want to make sure that you guys are shaking properly, because honestly, I don't want to see anybody shaking up here like that, because then it's going to hurt your rotator cuff. And even though that's usually a repetitive strain injury, I've seen people hurt themselves quite a bit doing that. And you don't want to be shaking down here. That put pressure on your back. You could slip that way. You want to shake from the heart. So you take your hands, you put them here, and you shake outward like this. We are going to put this into a Nick and Nora. And we are going to garnish with a lime twist. I got to clean up this twist a little. Cheers. That is delightfully surprising and surprisingly delightful. Actually, I don't know why it's surprising. Lime, kiwi, sounds pretty awesome. What's nice about the kiwi though is that kiwi is rather tart along with its flavor profile. It's not super sweet. You put that into simple syrup and you've got a nice tart, sweet kind of syrup. You put that with the lime, you get that nice tartness of the lime. Then you get the kiwi flavor profile. You get a little bit of the grassy notes from the rum agricole, and then the body of it is regular rum. It's just a nice, very nice, I say nice a lot. It is just a very pleasant cocktail, wonderful to sip, very refreshing. I love it a lot. I think I'm gonna keep kiwi syrup on hand, because now I'm thinking like, you could put kiwi syrup in like anything. Like, why don't you do like a lime kiwi syrup Tom Collins variation? That would be like amazing. You know, with a little bit of gin, that would be awesome. All right, or just a kiwi syrup sour with some gin or some rum. That would be awesome too. All right, there it is, the Daq Attack.
Isn't that what you just did? So kiwi syrup with rum?
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, that's exactly what I just did. But yeah, well, I said gin at first, and then I said rum. Yeah, but you know, I don't know, maybe a little aged rum in there would be kind of nice, or some Jamaican rum instead of the rum that we used. I don't know. Very nice, very nice.